Hello everyone, welcome to Chemical Engineering Education. In today's video, we are going to simulate a mixture unit operation in DWSIM. We have three inlet stream: methanol at 30 degrees centigrade, ethanol at 50 degrees centigrade, and water at 25 degrees centigrade, all at 2 bar with flow rate of 100, 150 and 80 kg per hour respectively. We'll use here the NRTL property package since all three components are polar liquids that interact with each other. So here is our objective. So our objective is very simple: mixed all three streams in the mixture and find the outlet temperature, outlet composition and total outlet flow rate. So without further delay, let's open DWSIM and get started. So now here I'm clicking DWSIM. Now we'll see this type of window. Now first here you click create new, then just wait for 1 second. So here it will show the simulation configuration wizard. Now click next, and then as three components are there, methanol, ethanol and water, so we have to select three components. So first methanol, then click that box, then ethanol, then water. So I have taken that three compounds component, right? So then click next. Now here we are taking as a NRTL method. So here click the NRTL and then add that, and then click next. So here you just select C5, that it is a customer unit, customize unit. Okay, so because here mass flow rate is kg per hour, that actually I want, and then click next. Then you don't have to do anything, then click finish. Now you will get that blank window. Now from the palette, so here for mixer and splitter, so you just take that stream mixture. Now here so you have that two inlet, but we have that three inlet stream, so I'll take another mixture. So we'll add one mixture here. Okay, so now, so mixture 1, so streams 2 will go to the mixture 2, and then it will coming to the mixture 1, and then that third stream is the outlet stream. So I am just renaming one by one. So 4 is, let's say, methanol, methanol inlet. Then here that may be ethanol inlet. Okay, ethanol inlet. Okay, next I can take 2 as a water inlet, water inlet, and this will be our third stream, will be the mixed mixed liquid, we can say. Okay, and then here we can change that name also. So ethanol plus methanol mixture. Okay, so now everything is set up. Okay, now we have to give one means we have to specify the steam condition. So first is methanol inlet. So methanol inlet, what is the methanol inlet? So we can check from here. Methanol inlet is 30 degrees centigrade, 2 bar, 100 kg per hour. Okay, so methanol inlet. So first we have to check the compound amount. So methanol must be 1 because no other liquids are there. So only methanol, fresh methanol is actually going. Accept. Then steam condition. Steam condition is what is the steam condition? That 32 bar 100, 30 degree centigrade, 30 degree centigrade, 2 bar, and what is that, 100 kg per hour. Okay, so you have to give 100 kg per hour. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, so methanol is 30 bar 30 degree centigrade 2 bar 100 kg per hour. Okay, now ethanol again, so compound, so ethanol will be 1 1 0, normalize, accept. So now here what will be the condition, steam condition is, you have to again check. So that is ethanol 50 degree centigrade 2 bar 150, 50 degree centigrade 2 bar 150, 50 degree centigrade 2 bar and then 150 kg per hour. Okay, so again you can check that 50 degree centigrade 2 bar 150 kg per hour. Okay, fine. Now water inlet, so water inlet again, so what is the condition? So that is condition is water 25 degree centigrade 2 bar and 80 kg. Okay, so all are 2 bar 25 degree centigrade and 80 kg. So 25 degree centigrade 2 bar and 80. So you can check that. Okay, so 25 degree centigrade 2 bar 80 kg. Now automatically things are solved. Okay, now we'll get the flow rate, right? So this is the very simple simulation. Now we can get here properties table. Okay, so here ethanol, where is the ethanol inlet? Now first is methanol inlet. Methanol inlet, temperature, pressure, mass flow rate. Okay, you can check that everything is correct or not. Yeah, so now similarly we can insert properties here. Ethanol, so ethanol inlet, temperature, pressure, mass flow rate. Okay, we'll get that. Then water, so again insert property. So here again water inlet, temperature, pressure, mass flow rate. Okay, now in outlet, so where is the outlet? Again properties. So here, so outlet is mixed liquid, temperature, pressure and mass flow rate. Okay, so now here you can see the temperature is, everything is correct, right? Okay, 100, 150 and 80, that is 330 kg per hour, and temperature here is okay, 36.8819 degree centigrade. Okay, and pressure is 2 bar. So now temperature, flow rate we will get that. Another is, I think, outlet composition we have to check. Outlet composition we have to check. So from here you can see the composition. So it is a vapor liquid mixture, right? So from, that's why you can see here, so methanol mixed liquid. Okay, component and amount, so temperature, pressure, everything you can see from here. Or you can insert, I think, properties table, or we can, no, we don't need that, so we can put it here. So mixture, mixed liquid. So now here volumetric flow rate, everything is there. Then mass fraction, everything you can put it here. So how much methanol ethanol is there, so everything we can get that. The liquid methanol vapor, everything, so it is a vapor liquid equilibrium. So if we click select all, then everything will come, but we don't need all clear. So for everything you will get that, gives free energy. So here temperature, pressure, mass, then we can mass fraction of vapor. Okay, mass fraction of vapor, maybe density over a liquid, molar entry, everything, mass flow rate over a liquid, over a liquid mass flow rate is already there. Okay, so now you can check that. Okay, so everything is there, and fraction. Okay, so from there if you click, so everything will come. So I am not going to do that. So you just click here, you can see everything. Okay, so this is the things. Now you can check here. So methanol is overall is 0.44549, ethanol is 0.4607, water is 0.093. Okay, so that is the overall molar fraction. Okay, and then temperature is 36.8819, pressure and mass molar. Okay, so that way you can do that mixer simulation. I hope you like this video. So please subscribe as well as put thumbs up button. Thank you.